Grain Tech Cluster is an initiation of the Cholum food processing machinery manufacturers. Due to increasing uncertainties and challenging competitive conditions in international markets, it is becoming more and more important for companies to improve their competencies. The companies, which have high-quality, different, cost-effective, and innovative products, are moving forward in a challenging and competitive environment. Today, companies that cooperate in the same value chain and cluster in a common strategy can answer the needs of customers more quickly in different geographical markets. In order to be at the center of the grain processing machinery manufacturing world, Cholum food processing machinery manufacturers laid the foundation of cluster initiation in 2011 with the SME networking project of the Republic of Turkey, Ministry of the Economy. Innovative companies in Cholum that manufacture food processing machinery established the Grain Tech Cluster through the increasing international competitiveness of the Cholum food processing machinery industry Ulge project, which is managed by the Cholum Chamber of Commerce and the industry. Grain Tech Cluster collaborates against the competition in national and international markets with reliable, different, fast, and innovative activities, which makes Cholum a center of attraction. With its reputation for installing turnkey plants with all kinds of machinery and equipment built to international standards, Grain Tech Cluster provides numerous options for new entrepreneurs and food producers across the world. It is a great opportunity for customers to meet the requirements of their projects and food processing machinery from a single point in the same value chain. When it comes to supplying the world's needs for grain processing machinery, the companies that collaborate with the Cholum Grain Tech Cluster, Akıllı Makine, that manufactures cleaning machines for the flour plants, RR Makine, manufacturers of every kind of machine for flour, semolina, and feed plants. Cholum Sabat Makine, specializing in crushing, transportation, elimination, and transferring technologies for flour and feed plants. Dalyan Makine, that supplies all kinds of equipment from CNC machinery to electrical engines for manufacturers. Dudu Olgul Steel Casting, manufacturers of all kinds of cast parts, employing high technology. Jura Makine, which manufactures silo, pneumatic transport, aspiration, dust filter, scale and packaging systems for grain processing plants. Erkan Makine, that manufactures the milling machines, semolina machines, steel storage silo systems, and air transport systems for flour and feed plants. EKL Makine, specializing in silo and dust filter systems for the flour and feed plants. Kaşıkçı Makine, moving forward in the sector by manufacturing milling machines. Makine ve Enerji, that manufactures all the machines and makes projects for flour and feed plants. Soylu Makina, providing modernization and installation services of flour and feed plants, and supplying new and second-hand machines. Tachmak Makina, specializing in fish meal and fish oil machinery and install of turnkey fish processing plants. Uğur Makina, one of the most prestigious companies in the milling industry, with several references for installing flour, feed, semolina, and pasta turnkey plants all over the world. Yamaksan, manufacturers of machine equipment, automation systems, dosing systems, and special machines according to its customers' demand. Through high technological production facilities and lean production techniques, Grain Tech cluster companies take their competitiveness to a higher level by providing high-quality products with reasonable prices at the requested delivery time to customers all over the world. You can find detailed information about all of the companies in the Grain Tech cluster by visiting our webpage at graintechcluster.com and get information from customer representatives. Grain Tech cluster is becoming the most reliable port for both national and international entrepreneurs by innovating itself technologically, allocating resources for R&D, having a modern machine infrastructure, highly skilled staff, and most importantly, the support of the Chalun Chamber of Commerce and Industry and the Ministry of Economy. Grain Tech Cluster is ready to serve you for more efficient, innovative, and technological products. Trust the power of Grain Tech Cluster to share a smooth future. Grain Tech Cluster, everything you need in grain processing machinery technologies. This movie is prepared in the scope of the Republic of Turkish Ministry of the Economy UGE project.